Hello everyone, welcome to Melbourne, Australia. Based on Wikipedia, Parliament House is the meeting place of the Parliament of Victoria, one of the parliaments of the Australian states and territories. Located on Spring Street on the edge of the Hoodle Reed, the grand colonnaded front dominates the vista of York Street. Construction began in 1855, and the first stage was officially opened the following year, with various sections and completed over the following decades. It has never been completed, and the planned dome is one of the most well-known and built features of Melbourne. Between 1901 and 1927, it served as the meeting place of the Parliament of Australia. During the period when Melbourne was the temporary national capital, the building is listed on the Victorian Heritage Register.